Okay, in these videos I would like to introduce sound playback, and for this we're going to be talking about MultiPlay, which is a PC-based theater sound playback software. Again, it's only for PC. If you have a Mac, you could stop now and switch over to the QLab videos. So MultiPlay is for PC only. This is sort of what it looks like once you get there, but let's talk a little bit about how you're going to get there. So if you'll go to our Google Drive, right, the class Google Drive for TPA 3353, you'll have a folder that says sound. And if you'll expand sound, I have provided you with this software. It's freeware. You can Google it. You can find it for free. But it takes a little bit of research to get to it, so I thought I would give it to you easy. There are two different ways you can download it to your computer, and you don't have to do both. You could pick one or the other. You could download this entire folder that says MultiPlay Beta 176. It may have a different beta version or a different version listed depending on when you're taking this class. I will try and keep it to its most current form. But there will be a MultiPlay beta version, and you're going to want to download the entire folder, right? Because it has both the drivers and the application. The other way you can get to it is by downloading the zip file, right? And then decompressing the zip file once you have it on your desktop or wherever you want to store it, right? In addition to the software, I have provided a library of sound effects that we'll be using in class. All of the sounds and music and everything that I've provided here has been tested on both QLab and MultiPlay and work just fine. So you can use any of these in your show files. A word on the types if you're out to looking to make your own sound effects. The type of file that you want is an MP3 or a WAV, a Windows audio file. Those two file types work best in MultiPlay. I believe it will also accept an MP4, but I can't swear to that. It depends on the version that you're using. And I strongly suggest if you're getting your own audio files that you use either an MP3 or a WAV. And you can see when I open this, there are all kinds of different songs that are listed here. And you can any of the sound effects that you use, you don't need to download all of them. But any of the sound effects must be, in order to be loaded into MultiPlay, must be saved locally on your computer. You cannot pull sound files from a virtual drive, which is what Google Drive is. You're going to have to move that over to your computer, save it on your computer somewhere so that MultiPlay then can play it. But this is all here for you to use, and again, that's on our Google Drive, and our Google Drive link is listed on our Canvas page.